Once again, New York City. It's your girl, the original street legend, DJ, Queen, MC, Assata, Tynnetta, Muhammad, Farrakhan. Established in 1970, Bachelor of Arts, Master of Science. Many of you out there, internet land, know me as the legendary pioneer, Eva Marie King, Bachelor of Arts, Master of Science, as I cross the Whitestone Bridge on my way to the Crotona Park Jams, which is Southside Jamaica, Queens, hip-hop. Our client, the original legendary Anthony Holloway, established in 1971, professionally known as the original legendary DJ Hollywood, soul creator, soul founder, soul inventor of hip-hop DJing and hip-hop MCing. I am the chairwoman and chief executive officer at the original coming back, DJ Hollywood, the original DJ Hollywood, media and public relations. As we cross the Whitestone Bridge, I'm on my way to Crotona Park Jam. It's Thursday, August 5th. Rocking that Rich and Rotten. You know what it is, Rich and Rotten. Rich and Rotten in the velour suit, the black and white leather hat by Rich and Rotten. Shoes by Ineslo's, the New Balance walking shoes. Shout out to my girl Val, the original fly girl Val. Yo Val, what's up Val? Yo Val. Thank you Val. Val is an original fly girl. Like, I'm gonna get Val to go on tour with me. You already know Val. She is an original, official fly girl representing Crown Heights, Albany houses. Yo, Val, I love you. Like, cook food. Like, you rock with me so hard. You give me so much inspiration. I'm in the Bronx now. I'm returning to Crotona Park after 45 years. Sleep in paradise to my Aunt Marcia. I wrote a 16-page scathing diss rhyme to many of the Bronx founders of hip-hop with regard to leaving DJ Hollywood out of the Universal Hip Hop Museum. I'm rolling dolo. I'm in the car dolo because that's what I want our young people to do. Queen Val, be an entrepreneur. I have my bags with me, my briefcase, my camera. Be an entrepreneur. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of no Bronx bullies. I email them. I Instagram them. I am a professor of South Bronx hip hop. I am a legend in so many towns, but I use my knowledge to teach and mentor because I want my big sis, original fly girl Val, to be proud of me and to look up to me and to say, hey, Professor Eva Marie King, when you open an academy, I want my family to go there because I know you're going to teach them the correct way and not teach them lies. So our lives are not a joke as we grew up as young girls. They totally leave the B-girls and the fly girls out of the museum and so many exhibits, but I'm straightening that out, Val. You better believe it. And when we lecture, $2,500 to $5,000 just to start, even without a press kit. $2,500 to $5,000 U.S. currency. So I began my lecturing tour in 2018. And I use my own funds to finance it, going to Hollywood, California, buying this Rich and Rotten gear, going to Dallas, Texas, going to Atlanta, Georgia. Original fly girl Val, you coming with me. You gonna come with me, Queen. Word up. We can just arrange it so you have your own agency. You run your own agency through your family. Your history is so important. It's so important to the history of women that precede hip hop. On my way to the Crotona Park Amphitheater, to my sister Val, I'm going to sign off in this part one. And we got to get together and go to Vibes 2 restaurant on Merrick Boulevard in Baisley. I love that restaurant. Oh my goodness. Shout out Vibes 1, Vibes Restaurant and Lounge, First Lady Keisha, the king, Mr. Chuck, to the son of the legend, King Mr. Chuck, brother, I call him young brother, Guy, who manages and supervises and vibes. It's black owned. Work with your people. You might not always agree when you're doing business with your people. I don't always agree with First Lady Keisha, but you can cool believe I'm going back there and taking my money back there, and whatever it is that I need, she's going to provide it. She's going to make sure I get it. But all of my artists, all of my clients that I bring there, First Lady Keisha holds me down and lets me do interviews there. We are artists. We're not always going to agree, but it's all right, because I'm going to keep bringing my black dollars and forwarding black folk there to keep our businesses open. One love, Val. I love you like cooked food. We got to go get some cooked food from Vibes. I'm going to hit you back later. Peace.